Welcome to another video. I'm Ron.
I'm Jaya.
And this is Ron's World,
Miami!
Today we're gonna open up another box. This time it's the DJI goggles. Right here. We're gonna open it up, show you what's inside, and we're gonna try it out for the very first time. So, let's do it.
Let's go!
This is how it comes.
It's like, it has like a layer of like, I think this is fleece.
How does it smell?
It smells like a new car. Like a little... Oh look, this is the other piece.
And
this comes nicely padded.
Hold it. You can look at this. Try it on.
Oh, it does fit my glasses.
And this is under it. It fits perfect with the glasses on.
Yeah, oh, like it has little glasses holes right here. Right here. So like when you have like large glasses sides, it fits through. And it's like wobbly here.
So the head part goes into here. Like that. And it moves up and down. Let's go.
Yeah, this it is.
So it started raining, so we had to pack up, but now we're back outside. And let's finish. Inside the box comes with the plastic, the HDMI cord. We'll try this out later. And it comes with the charger cord along with the charger.
Also, the charger cord and the charger, it's just a Samsung charger. So if you have a Samsung phone, you could just use the Samsung charger and you have an extra charger for your phone now, which is a good thing, I guess, for you. But we are iPhone users, so yeah.
So when it started raining, we went back in the car and then I charged it up some more. So it should be good to go. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna link the goggles to the drone and we're gonna test it out.
Yeah.
This is head tracking mode. You can actually see the camera move when I move my head to the left. You got both of us at the same time?
Yep.
I'm gonna try to fly it now. I'm chasing the jet ski.
Oh yeah. Well, you can see the jet ski, but you can't see the drone. But he is above the jet ski. You're waving.
Yeah. first impression? What do you think of it?
I love it.
How does the screen look to you?
Huge. Movie theater status with no, like I'm in the front seat. This is amazing. I can see everything. Look at all the boats.
So if you like our video with the DJI goggles, let us know in the description. Give us a thumbs up. And the giveaway, we're giving away another tripod. It's not an expensive tripod, it's a cheap one. It's the one that I use still, but it's still good for beginners. So if you're interested in the tripod, this is how it looks like. Alright, so if you want to enter in the tripod giveaway, look at that CHUKI.
I know that girl's hair though. She just
Alright,
breezing.
so if you want to enter in the tripod giveaway, in the description there's a link, click on it. So that says giveaway, click on that to enter into the tripod giveaway. Alright, so if you like our video, don't forget to subscribe and